everyone, welcome to Ugadi. It's actually Ugadi. We're going to go find out all about it. And you won't believe who we have with us. This is Sans from Sans Fruitscapades. Find her on Facebook, we'll put a link for you guys. But she's actually going to help us explore this whole thing. Because there's these things. And I don't know what they are.
You can take a picture here and then you have this traditional background.
Okay, great. So we're going to take a picture here. So we'll see you guys in a minute after the photo. This is actually a mugu. And what you do is you put it outside in front of your house. And it has to be made out of something edible. So that the chickens and the birds can come all enjoy it. That's so cool. It's actually made from rice, like the one we did at Diwali. But wow, how beautiful is everyone dressed. I feel a little underdressed. And even Sans, she's looking really good.
Did you say how beautiful does everyone taste? Are you hungry?
Did I say taste? I said look, everyone looks good. And I'm a little hungry. Sans seems to know everyone. It's just we can't walk a step without her talking to someone. Ricky getting footage of things. Well, they're just pretty people everywhere.
I know, everyone looks amazing.
They really do. Oh man, everyone's getting photos done. I'll just swing around so you can actually see. Everyone's taking photos.
The yuga, the adi, the cycle of time in the beginning.
Apparently there's a flute.
Oh, Krishna's flute.
Oh, Krishna's
So
flute.
Krishna Pentaya over there. He's the president of, something like nature.
And he do really great things for the community.
Namaskaram, I'm Krishna Bendaya and we have an organization called Soglanatsia, which means to save nature.
To save nature.
Yes.
Okay, so saving nature, that's fantastic. Umbrella for Ricky. But we're gonna come here, we're getting our photos taken, but first of all let me do a piece of video. Do the flute thing, Rick. I'll hold the umbrella.
You're gonna do like this and this. And then the photos
What's the intent? Oh, I'm gonna give her the umbrella. There we go. I think that looks awesome. I hope that looks awesome. Oh, what are these?
It looks like what's the name? Pongalu.
Pongalu.
Like a gulab jamun, but it's hard.
Okay. Are you gonna try it?
It's a details program. I'll talk to you soon.
Okay, no problem.
Enjoy your sweet.
Were we trying the sweets? What's it like? Is it good?
It's kind of like a biscuit, but it's not overly sweet. These are normally very sweet.
Okay.
This is not sweet.
Oh, cool.
And it's hard.
There's so many interesting things. Not sure what that is, but we've been told to follow, so we're following.
Someone will give you. Well, someone will give you Ugadi Pachadi. It's made of chili, jaggery, which is Indian sugar, salt, tamarind, mango, and neem leaves. So these are 6 different tastes in 6 tastes in one.
6 tastes in one.
This symbolizes the different tastes that we have in life. So on Ugadi Day, it's the first thing that we take it empty stomach because it's a medicine. In fact, it's a medicine. So you grow in age, you live longer.
Okay, I need lots of this. I need a lot of this.
Okay, take. Here it is.
Wow, that's heavy. Oh man. Oh, it's so heavy.
Along with this, we have different
Great.
items here displayed, like traditional sweets, traditional meal. So it being a festival, so the Telugus and the Hindus all around the world celebrate Ugadi as their New Year, and they start it by a prayer. Yes, they draw rangoli, mugu, or floral designs are below. The floral designs, these are supposed to be food for the insects.
This is called Pongalu.
Or for
Yes.
this
made,
thing.
This is made with rice,
Okay.
carrot, and also.
And do you
some-
cook it in this pot?
Yes.
Oh wow, so they actually cook it in this pot.
So that's breakfast for.
You want to taste it?
Yes, please.
You can eat it as breakfast or any time of the
Making a little cup for me. Ricky also got herself some.
I think it's savory.
It's made of rice.
Oh, that's yummy. Wow.
It's good.
It's really, really good. It's like
It's
it's very savory. It's got like curry notes and spices and vegetables. It's like sticky, like it's a built-in curry with the rice, so you can eat it with your fingers.
so it's easy to eat. South Indian food.
More pictures, more pictures. Give it a go, bro. Give it a go.
It's my turn.
Yeah, it's nice, eh?
Oh, it's like a really good curry.
It is, all in one.
Oh man,
I love it.
I should have got more. Oh man. Ricky getting great video of everyone.
Everybody looking so beautiful. Hi. Thanks. Happy Ugadi, everyone.
They have loads of these mugus and some of them look really good. Oh man, patience it must take to do these. This one looks a bit like a bird.
Maybe like a peacock.
Maybe a peacock, yes. Really is. Some of these instruments are amazing. I'm not even sure how you play this. It looks like a guitar. Of course, drums in there.
And so this is what's really cool about Mauritius, all the mixed cultures and stuff. So here Ugadi is celebrating New Year for the Telugu South India. And everybody comes together and celebrates. And we even have a public holiday for it. And by the way, we're at the beautiful Mahogany Mall. We did a whole video on it as well.
Okay, so these are some of the traditional sweets. This one is laddu, but it's a really big Pongalu.
This is gato zombie.
Gato zombie.
This is our traditional sweet, Ariselu.
This one looks really nice. Ariselu.
Ariselu, yeah, it is made out of rice.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Can I put you on? She's the lovely one who's been telling me about the sweets. Thank you so much. So of course someone's gonna sing. And everyone's clapping.
Bacon aflam, we had that. It's really good. And this is tamarind rice. Wow. Not even sure what that is. And this is all those things that went into that beautiful drink that symbolize all your emotions and feelings. And then you consume them all at once. 7 curries. Traditional 7 curries.
cute. Is it a banana one? What is that?
I don't know. It's kind of like a chana but with something sweet inside.
Sweet.
Sort of like all those things, tikwa.
Tikwa. Oh, is it like a
Got a
tikwa?
lot of tikwa filling.
Oh, wow. We don't really have enough hands, but we got one of these. I've been dying to try one of these. So I'm going to try it. Oh, that was so nice. It's like a what do I can't remember.
Yeah.
It's like a piao.
Come with sesame.
Oh, I like this.
You haven't tried this thing.
Well, it's my turn to try this one. Very much like a tikwa. I'd love it with some tea. Oh man, I didn't think anything could be louder than me, but apparently Ugadi is. So if you can't hear anything before, it's just been chaotic, and I suppose like South India a bit. Quiet time, now I'm the loudest again. Like it's supposed to be. It's loud and beautiful and really tasty. Well, anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. See you again next time.